Universal Orlando Resort is home to a unique ride experience, especially for Harry Potter fans. Islands of Adventure theme park and Universal Studios Florida theme park both have Wizarding World of Harry Potter lands. Hogsmeade at Islands of Adventure and Diagon Alley at Universal Studios Florida. The Hogwarts Express is a ride and experience that brings you between both Wizarding World of Harry Potter lands and theme parks. This video is going to be an overview and ride point of view of the Hogwarts Express experience at Universal Orlando Resort. In order to ride this experience, all guests must have a park-to-park or multiple parks per day ticket. And tickets start at $169 to $174 per 1 day per person, and get cheaper per day if you add multiple days. You will need to scan your park-to-park ticket to gain access to this particular ride. This ride is also an any age, any height ride, but does require children under 48 inches to have an adult present. Now, strollers and wheelchairs are allowed on this ride. In terms of strollers, you will be separated from them, so be sure to secure loose items and take any valuables. You will be reunited with the stroller or the wheelchair when you arrive at the next station. Universal Express Pass is also accepted for the Hogwarts Express. The Universal Express Pass is another upcharge that allows you to get quicker access to the ride and other ride experiences throughout Universal by using the Express line. Check the website for updated pricing. Now, the average wait time for Hogwarts Express ride varies throughout the day, but on average is probably about 30 minutes or so. During the mid-afternoon, the wait times can be a little longer, as that is prime time for people park hopping. The ride itself is only around 5 minutes. So the King's Cross Station experience. As you enter from King's Cross Station, which is just outside Diagon Alley, you will feel like you're in a London train station. There you will find the 9 3/4 platform, and there's a little bit of a special effect that transports you into a special train stop for the Hogwarts Express. At this station, the train will actually arrive backwards. Each train room will fit up to 8 guests. Smaller groups may be separated or put with other guests, so keep that in mind. The ride itself is both a real train ride and motion simulation, taking you from London to Hogwarts.
Whoa, look at the birdie!
The door will also have some special effects, as Harry and his friends will be checking in on you as well.
They conjure up some pumpkin pasties.
Ron, food is the first of the 5 principal exceptions to Gump's law of elemental transfiguration.
Do you know what she's talking about?
Brilliant! Dementors on the Hogwarts Express? Foul, miserable creatures. Something from the trolley, dear. I'd say you'd earned it.
Any chocolate frogs?
Oh, dear. Let's get back to your seats now. I'll try and round up these little runaways. Dementors
One of the things that they have. Second movie, I'm pretty sure.
Looks like a super fan of Harry Potter. Wow, that's so big. It's like a castle.
From the other side, the Hogsmeade Station, the decor fits the fictional village on the outskirts of Hogwarts from the film. The Hogwarts Express train will arrive with the front of the train at this particular station and will head backwards to King's Cross Station. Now, the screen simulations do vary for each direction, so definitely experience it both ways if you have the chance.
You like the dinosaur and Ryan there?
Now, overall, the Hogwarts Express is a great experience and a fun way to park hop between Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios Florida. Both Wizarding World of Harry Potter lands are amazing, and the Hogwarts Express just fits it perfectly. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.